So guys, it's quite alarming kasi sobrang dami na nag-message sa akin on how to refund their
money back.
I felt the same way na sobrang nakakapanghinayang kasi pinagpaguran mo yung pera mo and makukuha lang ng kung sino-sino dyan. Marami pa rin sa inyo yung nagtatanong how to refund your money after makuha nga ng Cocolife yung pera nyo or maswipe yung card nyo. So, just disclaimer lang po sa video na to. Cocolife again, it's an ISO certified institution and they are 100% legitimate. So sa vlog po na to is ituturo ko lang po sa inyo yung kung paano i-refund yung pera na nakuha sa inyo. Because still many people are still messaging me sa Facebook, sa website ko kung paano nga ma-refund yung pera nila kasi nga na-swipe and they are in distress. Medyo nakakaawa kasi I've been there sa feeling na yun na kung saan pinaghirapan nyo yung pera nyo but you cannot do anything kasi nakuha na nga and you cannot refund it immediately kasi it requires a process. So in this vlog, I will be answering some of your common questions how to refund your
money back.
So let me answer some of your common questions para matulungan ko din po kayo on how to refund your money. But just a reminder again, Cocolife is 100% legitimate and an ISO certified. Okay? So first question po tayo. Scam po ba ang Cocolife? Just what I have mentioned, they are 100% legitimate. So if you have the money and you want to get insured, mas mabuti nang i-continue na lang yung insurance kaysa naman po naghulog na kayo ng 6 months or 1 year or almost few years na and masasayang lang po
yung pinaghirapan nyo.
So just continue it, at least you are insured kung may mangyari mang masama sa inyo. Second question, paano if malayo ako sa Makati main branch? Saan ko isasubmit yung cancellation letter? So, in case nga malayo kayo sa Makati branch and you are sa province nga, the only option for you is to punta kayo sa branch na kung saan kayo kumuha ng policy and let them know that you don't want to continue the insurance. Another question, pwede ba na email na lang? Email, pwede naman, kaya lang it would be very nice na puntahan nyo in person kasi sigurado kayo na makukuha nila or marireceive nila yung letter of cancellation na ayaw nyo na nga. And beside, there is a 15 grace period na kung saan kailangan nyong isubmit yung cancellation letter nyo para ma-refund nyo yung pera nyo. So another question is, what if nakalipas na ang 15 days? Makukuha ko pa po ba yung pera ko? Unfortunately, no. Kasi based sa policy ng Insurance Commission is you are only given 15 days to change your mind if you don't want to continue the insurance. So if already 15 days, then much better to continue or you can just cancel if you are being stressed out nga kasi sobrang daming negative feedback. So another question is, ano ang ilalagay ko sa cancellation letter ko? So first is make sure na ilagay nyo yung reason nyo kung bakit kayo magka-cancel. Make sure it's reasonable enough and then sabihin nyo yung anong gusto nyong i-refund, kung GPA or FSP, and also the amount of money that you want to get refunded. Make sure it should be detailed. Pwede ba ako magpasa kahit di ko po nakuha policy? So there are some people na nagtatanong sa akin if they can submit the cancellation letter kahit hindi pa nila nakukuha yung policy. The answer is yes. You can submit your cancellation letter sa main branch if you really wanted to cancel the policy. And also, in case na nasubmit nyo na yung cancellation letter nyo, kunin nyo pa rin yung policy para meron kayo na proof na meron nga kayong binayaran. Or in any case na hindi na nila ibigay, just keep the receipts that was given to you and then photocopy if they ask to retrieve all the files na nabigay nga nila sa'yo. Another question is, need ko po ba pumunta sa Cocolife branch or direkta na sa main branch sa Ayala Avenue? On my personal advice po is much better if you go directly to the main branch kasi
mas mabilis yung proseso.
On my end, what happened is I got my policy sa Robinson Mall Malate, and then after 7 days after contemplating, since meron na din naman akong insurance sa Manulife, then I decided to just cancel the policy kasi sobrang daming negative feedback and then I cannot handle the expenses anymore. So what I did is I go straight sa main branch, submit the cancellation letter. They asked me why I want to cancel the policy. I just told them na ayoko nang i-continue and I don't have money to compensate the monthly recurring payment for that insurance. So much better na lang na i-cancel ko kaysa naman na magbabayad ako for few months and after few months hindi ko na rin mabayaran. So masasayang lang din yung insurance. Pwede ko ba ma-refund ang GPA or FSP? For this question, yes, you can refund both GPA and FSP. Paano po if nasa abroad ako, pwede ba ako magpagawa ng authorization letter? Maraming nagtatanong nito sa akin. However, I'm not really sure, but based on my knowledge, if you really wanted to cancel your policy, you can have your authorization letter, all your identification card, and then let someone submit it for you. And you can also call the customer service for a Cocolife if they will allow to. So, kung another question is, anong gagawin ko sa pagpapa-cancel? So, let's summarize everything, okay? So, once nyo na makuha yung policy, let's say after 3 days or 5 days, nakuha nyo na po yung policy, is create your cancellation letter stating your reason why you want to discontinue the policy. Make sure it's valid enough, and then after you created your letter, submit it to the main branch sa Makati, or if you are far from Makati, you can submit it on your sa branch na kung saan nakuha niyo yung policy. And then after niyo makuha yung after niyo masubmit yung letter, is they will tell you that they will investigate and
excuse me.
They will investigate first, and then once the investigation is done, they will contact you that it was already approved. But usually, na-approve naman lahat. Just make sure it's within 15 days. And then, after nyo na masubmit yung letter, you need to photocopy all the documents that was given to you by Cocolife para makasigurado. And then after that, just call the customer service at least once a week regarding your request for the cancellation and refund. So after 35 to 45 days, you will be able to get your refund in the form of check. Sometimes they will also credit it back to the credit card na kung saan pinagkuhanan ng pera. So that's it. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to comment down below, and I'll try my best to answer all your questions. So thank you, and if this is your first time to watch my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload new videos. Thanks.